everyone! Today we're going to trip. We're going to travel inside of Korea. City name is Yangyan. This is a city close to ocean. This is east side of Korea. So I'm going there for first time and I'm really excited because I really want to watch ocean and I really want to swim. We're in a hotel close to ocean, so I think it will be very nice. I eat seul, shrimp. And Hyunguna eat chocolate. Hyunguna, you need to lose weight. You need to eat fruits. We arrived to station. Here looks pretty. I like station. And here is a lot of yummy food. Hello. And we finally arrived. And here is beach. But now it's dark and cannot see. This is beach and ocean. Night ocean, also beautiful. And there is hotels. So let's go to hotel first. We arrive at our hotel. So here is toilet. And I like big window. Here is ocean. Ta-da! I like salt. Good morning, everyone. We made makeup and hair and come to rooftop for it. And here is beautiful ocean view. Arrive at hotel and we will go soon to another hotel and I go everything full. I bought my favorite Olive Young glutathione C. I don't know, this one. It's like collagen and morning vitamins, so I want to take now. This tastes like juice, but this is not tasty, but I hope it's healthy. Porsche. We arrived to our new hotel and check in only at 3. And now it's only 11 and I'm going to do walking tour for my another YouTube channel. So I will go to ocean. There is ocean. Make video of ocean. Oh my god, finally I can see morning ocean because yesterday it was too dark, so I didn't really understand. Morning here very beautiful. Night ocean also beautiful. But I can say that water very clean. We sit in the bus and going to Muscle Beach. Muscle Beach. We almost arrived to Muscle Beach and here is this my favorite olive chicken. And we finally arrived to Surfy Beach. This is Muscle Beach, I think. Very nice. Hyunguna, he's very hungry.
Not very hungry.
And we already was almost everywhere and my battery low. And we're going to eat pinyan and we'll try first time pinyan. Very good. Pinyan. Like that without ate and arrived to Hajode, tourist place. Here like view, very beautiful view. We already made walking tour here. We can watch beautiful view from here. Most important, not fall from here. I was frozen, but finally we take our bus going to hotel because I was really cold. We arrived at Yangyan town. Oh, and they immediately can see Japanese bar. We just came here for Thais and after that go hotel. This is not big town, like small. Ooh, smells bad. Sewer. Oi, almost full. We almost arrived to our hotel. It's very cold. And now, wow, very pretty. There is a lot of lights. Very light. And this is our second hotel. Room tour. Here is toilet. And huge room. And here must be ocean view. Today have breakfast outside. Hello, yummy yummy. Hyun woke up early and very hungry. Hi. Boat Sundae, Squid Sundae. It's only in Gangwon. So I did walking tour close to beach. I did about 40 minutes and we're going to swim now and to beach. And Hyun bought subak, watermelon. Hello. And it was very interesting. We speak with owner of this hotel and they say that they very like to live here. And winter here not so cold, but I thought here must be insanely cold. We cut watermelon. Yummy, yummy. We arrive at beautiful beach and we take watermelon and we will eat watermelon and maybe swim. We swim at ocean. Arrive to hotel and cook barbecue. Samgyeopsal.
파이통 앞으로 그래.
아, 네.
난리 났다.
잘라와서 그래.
그러니까.
Oh, it's okay. I think it will burn. Maybe. Oh, maybe you need to wait without fire.
그러니까요. 아무것도 몰랐어요. 조심하세요.
맛있는. Ой,
여보 명함 하나 주세요.
Гоша. It's funny.
가만히 있으십시오.
Да-да.
gonna let you in. If only.
Good morning everyone, this is last day of our travel and we already had breakfast here and wow, today waves so big and people do surfing. I also want to do surfing. I have never tried. I want to try. Wow, it looks amazing. Wow, big Comet Beach and here is big waves.
Tonight.
I want to come closer.
You make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel, this is real.
Oh, very funny. I like big waves.
If only for this life, gonna let you in.
We arrived to watch temple and here is big market and here is a lot of different interesting things. Oh my god, what is it? Oh my god. This is stingray, maybe. We go into temple and we need to go long way to up race. Wow, we go up and I see Buddha statue. Oh, we arrive. I can see big Buddha statue here. Now we will go back and making walking tour for my second channel. So pretty.
되게 올라가.
Weather getting very good. I like sunlight. We watch almost everything. Now we arrived most close to ocean. Looks beautiful. Little remind me temple in Busan, but I think Busan was bigger. Here is not so big. I like how air smells. Ocean, smells of ocean, I very like. So I think we already arrived most close to ocean. You like that? Here is ocean and here is bell and temple. And we arrived to some place. Here is exist cafe and museum. We found food and my favorite slush and hot dog. Oh, and we arrived at some hangout place. Hangout place. Beach looks very good.
Clear hole?
Real horse,
Oh, no, real.
like St. Petersburg. Wow, wow. Really? I didn't know in Korea exists like that. Here is amazing, very unusual for me. Horse. I didn't know in Korea exists horse. I like ocean so much. Very like. And here they built very big hotel. Everywhere hotel. Oh, and here looks like Songdo in Busan. Exactly like that. Just they need to finish build everything and it will be like Songdo. Very pretty. Oh, we arrived to town and BTS was there. Looks interesting. They will build cool hotel here. Oh, but here another buildings looks old. I think we will go soon close to our hotel. Soon we'll take our bus. We arrived to Sokcho City and going to eat and take our bus to Seoul. This is a small city. This is a small city, but they built very big apartments with ocean view. I think this is not beach there. I think it's more like port. Beach? Ah, there is exist beach. So we ate and arrived close to our bus. Actually, we confused and little lost and hurry up to take bus. So we will go to Seoul now. So we're going to Seoul. It's a little bit noisy here. Anyway, we're going to Seoul. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.